In today's video, I'll show you how to get an SSL certificate from Godaddy. Having an SSL is crucial to keeping your website secure and protecting your visitors' data. Don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds, and I'll walk you through step by step. Step 1. Log in to Godaddy. Start by opening your browser and going to godaddy.com. Log into your account, where you'll see all the products and services tied to your Godaddy account. Step 2. Go to Products. Click on the Products tab. This is where Godaddy organizes everything you own: domains, hosting, and of course, your SSL certificates. Step 3. Open SSL certificates. From here, find and click on SSL certificates. This section is dedicated to managing all of your SSL-related services. Step 4, manage your certificate. Now click on Certificates. You'll see a list of all SSL certificates linked to your account. Locate the one you want, then click Manage. Step 5, download SSL certificate. Inside the management page, look for the option to download your SSL certificate. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully obtained your SSL certificate from Godaddy. With SSL in place, your website is secure, your visitors' data is protected, and your credibility online improves. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.